Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You are the instructor. Act quickly. First, identify the nearest emergency exit and a second option. This reduces hesitation. Once done, move into the aisle and clear baggage because loose items block movement. Make sure to remove any protective cover or pull tab on the handle. Grab the frame firmly and assess whether glass is fixed or removable. You need steady feet. Keep shoes on to push, twist, or lift as required, and communicate with others to coordinate. You will now operate the mechanism. Read the pictogram quickly since labels tell you direction. If it says pull, pull. If push, push, don't guess. Apply steady, even force. Short, sharp tugs can break seals, while sustained pressure releases catches. Once the panel moves, guide it slowly so it doesn't spring back and create an opening large enough for people to pass safely. Make sure to brace the panel or lock it open because uncontrolled movement can injure you or others. You complete the evacuation. Lead people out single file and instruct them to slide or step feet first because controlled movements prevent falls. Once out, pull others through and help children and the elderly first. Hand them down or lift if necessary. If the mechanism jams, try the secondary exit or use the designated hammer or break instructions. Only break glass when the label authorizes it. If things go wrong, remain calm. Signal the driver or emergency services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.